Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the leaks surrounding the upcoming Nikon Z8 Mark II, a camera that's already making waves in the photography community. With the Nikon Z8 having garnered its share of praise and criticism, the real question remains: can the Z8 Mark II take over as the mirrorless camera to beat in 2025? Let's explore the rumors, the features, and what we hope Nikon will bring to the table in this much-anticipated update. Introduced in 2023, the Nikon Z8 impressed both professionals and hobbyists alike with its compact yet powerful design. Inheriting high-end specifications from Nikon's flagship Z9, it boasted a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, impressive 8K video recording capabilities, and a robust deep learning autofocus system that made it a favorite for both photographers and videographers. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Despite its popularity, the Z8 faced several challenges early on, which left some potential buyers and current users wondering what improvements the next iteration could offer. One of the most notable challenges with the Z8 was its lens mount compatibility, where certain lenses failed to securely attach to the camera body. Nikon acknowledged the issue and took swift action, offering free repairs, even on out-of-warranty models. Despite this, questions lingered about the overall durability of the camera. Additionally, there were significant reports about the strap eyelets, where the metal components would loosen or detach under significant strain, which added to concerns about the overall build quality. Overheating was another major concern that arose from extended 8K video recording sessions, which pushed the camera's thermal management system to its limits. This was a deal-breaker for videographers who were hoping for uninterrupted recording sessions. Given these challenges, the Z8 Mark II is expected to address these shortcomings and refine the camera into a more polished, durable, and user-friendly machine. Improved build quality and durability. The Z8 Mark II is expected to tackle the build quality issues that plagued its predecessor. With reinforced components, including stronger strap eyelets and an improved lens mount, Nikon could significantly enhance the durability of this camera. There are also rumors that the Z8 Mark II may feature advanced materials and refined assembly techniques to ensure that the camera can withstand the rigorous demands of professional photographers and videographers in tough environments. In addition, overheating during extended video recording sessions will likely be addressed with new internal heat dissipation systems. These improvements could finally make the Z8 Mark II the go-to choice for videographers seeking to record high-quality 8K video without worrying about the camera shutting down due to excessive heat. Additionally, Nikon might offer optional external cooling accessories, which would be a welcome addition for long-duration shoots. Battery life and power management. Battery performance has always been a crucial factor for high-performance cameras, especially when it comes to video recording. The Z8 was equipped with the EN-EL15C battery, which performed decently in photography tasks but struggled during intensive video shoots. Nikon could improve the Z8 Mark II's battery performance by introducing a higher capacity battery or one that is more energy efficient. Additionally, there might be an optional battery grip for those who need extended shooting power during demanding professional shoots. Autofocus improvements. One of the standout features of the Z8 was its deep learning subject tracking and AI-driven autofocus system, which was already impressive but not flawless. The Z8 Mark II is expected to improve upon this by offering faster autofocus speeds, more accurate AI subject tracking, and enhanced low-light performance. Customizable focus modes could further elevate the shooting experience, especially in professional environments where precision is paramount. Display and user experience. User feedback regarding the Z8 often mentioned the lack of a fully articulating rear display, which limited shooting flexibility at unconventional angles. The Z8 Mark II will likely address this by introducing a fully articulating screen, providing more versatility for photographers and content creators who want to capture shots from unique perspectives. Video capabilities. For videographers and content creators, the Z8 Mark II is rumored to feature 8K recording at 120 frames per second and 4K recording at 240 frames per second, both of which would be game changers for the mirrorless camera market. These additions would significantly enhance the camera's video capabilities, making it a versatile hybrid camera suitable for both photography and video production. A broader range of video codecs and in-camera editing tools could also be included, allowing users to streamline their post-production workflows directly in the camera. Moreover, AI-driven noise reduction and real-time HDR processing could become key features in the Z8 Mark II, improving image quality in both stills and videos. With advancements in computational photography, the camera could offer features like real-time image stabilization and enhanced dynamic range, enabling photographers to achieve stunning results even in challenging shooting conditions. Portability and usability. While the Z8 Mark II will likely maintain its rugged build, there's potential for it to be made lighter without compromising durability. This would make it more portable, which is particularly beneficial for photographers and videographers working in the field. The more compact and lightweight design would improve usability and make the camera a better option for those on the move. Competitive pricing. The original Z8 offered exceptional value for its features, and if Nikon can maintain a similar pricing structure for the Z8 Mark II, we could see a camera that offers unparalleled performance at a relatively affordable price. Industry insiders speculate that the Z8 Mark II could be priced at around $3,999, which would make it an extremely competitive option in the mirrorless camera market. Anticipated release date. As for the release date, the Z8 Mark II is expected to launch in 2026, giving Nikon ample time to fine-tune and perfect its next flagship mirrorless camera. This timeline would also allow Nikon to integrate new features based on user feedback and advancements in technology. Conclusion. The Nikon Z8 Mark II is shaping up to be a revolutionary camera that could set a new benchmark in the mirrorless camera industry. With improvements in build quality, battery life, autofocus, video capabilities, and user experience, the Z8 Mark II could become the mirrorless camera king of 2025 and beyond. Nikon's focus on addressing the feedback from users and enhancing the features that professionals demand could make this camera a game changer. What features are you most excited about in the Nikon Z8 Mark II? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in camera technology and upcoming releases. Stay tuned for more on the Nikon Z8 Mark II and other exciting camera tech.